as far as you can see. Alright, we're at our turnoff. This is just east of Sweet Home, Oregon. We are turning off here. And from here, this is Quartzville Creek Road, or it's actually like a scenic bypass. It is about 21 miles up to where I'm going, up to where I plan on going anyway. One of the spots that I know where I know there's gold there. This is Easter Sunday, so we're going up Easter Sunday to get some Easter Sunday AU. Alright, I think I've done a video of Quartz Creek Road before, so I'm going to shut this off and I'll see you when we get up there. Alright, that's now. Alright, quick stop for Mia. You don't want to see her do that. She's a leg lifting dog. This is one of my favorite stops. Up here at Green Peter Dam and Lake. For you that subscribe and follow or watch videos, and those of you that have been here, got a car coming. Got Mia over there. She's just sniffing around. Try to keep this car off the video. But one of those, I know I've showed in a couple of videos. At least I've filmed a couple of videos. Well, recorded, filmed. I guess film dates me, right? Tells you how old I am. Alright, that car went by. Mia, come. So, if you've watched any videos, I'm pretty sure I've stopped at the dam and done a couple of videos here at the dam. I know I have. So I like to stop here, check the height of the water. They've got it up quite a ways. There's a lot of debris out there. I don't know if you guys can see that. All out there. It's all debris built up along the barrier wall. But the water level seems to be up. Sometimes this is all filled in or all the way down. All of this. Zoom back out. Or in. You guys can see it, there's still snow on top of the hill up there. Oh, there you go. For those of you that know the lake, you can see that it's up pretty far. And they're not releasing a lot of water. The stream that's on the other side of the dam here, where it comes out at. Down below it wasn't running very high. There's the leak in the dam. Right there, it goes down there and flows down there. That leak is on a seam. It's on another video that I've done. Anyway, we're going to get back to driving. We got quite a few more miles to go. Just stopped at the dam because it's one of my favorite spots to stop for Mia. It's not very far from where we turned off at. Anyway, catch you on later. Catching out. All right. We're up here. We got gear check. Mia, We got one Mine Boss. We have half-inch classifier, pan, favorite dog treats. We have our A52 out here today. There's some stickers of other channels. Secret Creek, Occasional Outlaw, Gold Hunter 77, West Coast Gold Prospecting, Buffalo Chris. That's all on this side, and the Earth First is from Armadillo Mining. Let's see, we've got, this is an old Keene. It's from Northridge. There's the Vendetta. There's Blue Lead Gold Productions from the North Yuba Hunt. There's another Occasional Outlaw underneath there. There's a Flatline Racer, Logos and Coins. There's Otis Ferris Prospecting, Enjoying Northwoods, and Gruber Dead Jardine. And I have more stickers. There's stickers on my dredge box and on my other A52 box. Let's see, the Mine Boss is down here. She's headed down the trail already. She says, let's go down to the creek. Time to get busy. So I'm going to change into my rubber boots and I'm going to head down to the creek. I'll see you down there. Okay, we got the dog here. Got the Mine Boss Mia. Got the rubber boots on. Little pan and bucket with stuff in it. Let's see if I can turn you guys around. Got my C-spot set up on my strap, so it can just go over my shoulder. And we're gonna head down the trail, and I'll see you at the river. All right, I think I'm gonna set it up right here. We got some pretty decent flow through there. I do have another spot right here that might be good. I'd have to move a couple of rocks, but that one right there looks like it's got enough flow in it to run this A52 with the classified. Those are Mine Boss. She's got some treats right up there. Oh, there she goes. Oh, dropped one. Okay, so I'm gonna get this box set up and then I'm gonna get to putting some material through it. All right, I'm catching out and so is Mia. Okay, got the box in the water. I just have a small shovel full of material here. This is just a check to see how we're flowing here. Don't fall in, Rob. Okay. That's the thing. That's the great thing about this A52 is you can just dump right onto it. Looks like I'm gonna need a little more angle. I don't know, maybe not. See how this box is clearing out down here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need a little more angle. Okay, I'll be back. Let's see if we're on a pay streak here. Got a, well, that was a, I did have that bucket full. I put that in the pan. I put, about half that bucket in the pan. I'm gonna pan it out and see if we're on the pay streak. All right, I'll be back. Okay, I have that pan down, and I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it or not. Let me set this pan down. Stick my finger there. One little piece. Right there at the tip of my finger. And that's only from probably one big shovel full. Let me back you guys back up to one time. This is just like a little 2-gallon Bi-Mart. So it's not like it's a big bucket. So really it's about one shovel full is what I panned out. And there's one little speck. Quartzville is not known for big gold. There's gold here. I do know that I am in the pay layer. And so I'm going to just go run some buckets through this and I'll be back. Okay. Me a dog. Say goodbye. I want to get you guys in here in a hole that I'm digging in. Okay, so what we got here, what I'm seeing, I have a solid layer that starts like right here. I mean, it's loaded with this pea-sized gravel stuff. But then there's this other layer right up here on top of it. It's like pea-sized gravel, and then it goes up to bigger rocks too. And can you guys see that? This one stops right here. You can see the different texture layers. This one only goes up to about, it goes up to about right here. And then this starts, this clayey type mud. But it's all got river rock in it too. It's all got rounded river rock in it. This whole section right through here. And that's not me that's dug that. There's other people that come up to this spot and dig. And it goes. This is. Can you guys see how iron rich this ground is right here? See if I can get you down closer. I mean, there's just like iron rich ground all through here. And that's why I'm here. Because of this really iron rich. And it's all rounded river rocks. That one's fairly good size. Here's my little rake for comparison. Where we at? I mean, it's not a huge rock, but there's this one here too that I moved out. I'm gonna get back to digging for a little while. Starting to get into the afternoon, so I'll probably get like 2 more buckets done. The A52 is still down there running, or right over there running. It's right there. So anyway, I'm going to get back to it. Now the reason this ground is so easy for me to dig is because I've already broke it up so I can just load up a few buckets real quick. Yeah, it's solid in there. Solid. Now you can see why I just brushed a bunch down to throw into the bucket. And I've done a couple of test pans. It's all I've ever found up here is like flour gold. I found a couple of pickers and pokers, but it's mostly just been flour gold up here at Quartzville. So I didn't film it. I'll do a smaller dump. Oh. I think I'm sitting at like 22 or 23% battery. Can you guys see that really iron-rich layer in here? I don't know if you guys can see all of that. I mean, it's like super red. Everything's compact. I don't know, you see me digging there for a second. All right, I'm gonna go throw this in the sluice box. I'll be back. What a beautiful day it is out here on the river today, or out here on Quartzville Creek anyway. I call it a river because, I mean, it's flowing pretty good. It is just a creek though. The boss is right over there in a spot where she can watch. I'm digging right there. But yeah, just a beautiful sunshiny day on the creek. I'm getting ready to throw this bucket of material here through the sluice box, through the A52. Just in case earlier shout-outs didn't get hit. Don't fall over, Rob. There's Secret Creek. There's Occasional Outlaw. There is Gold Hunter 77. West Coast Gold Prospectors. There's Buffalo Chris. That Earth First will mine the other planets later from Armadillo Mining and Grants Pass. And a Keene A52 from Northridge plant. We have Vendetta Prospecting. We have Blue Lead Gold Productions, North Yuba Nugget Hunt. We have Occasional Outlaw. We have Flatliner Racer. He does logos and coins. We have Autospheres Prospecting. And let's see, we have Gruber Ned Bean down over here. Let's twist this rock up out of the way real quick. We have Enjoying the Northwood. Can we get him? Oh, yeah. Enjoying Northwood. Okay. Everybody's got. Oh, it's got water in my boot. Been up here all day. First time I got water in my boot. Dang it. And it was doing shout outs. Anyway, it's another beautiful day. Alright, we're back. Pretty sure that was the last bucket I'm going to do. Sun's starting to creep down behind the trees. So, yeah. So I thought I'd turn you around here. I'll turn you around here and I'll show you some gold in the box. Today is Easter Sunday, so this is Easter Sunday gold. Alright, so let me turn you around. Right there is a nice chunk of, oh, where's it go? Right there. Nice chunk of gold right there. There's another one there. Come down here. See if I can get the right angle on this. There you go. There's some gold. Oh, look at that one time. See if I can get these ones this way too. This one piece is very interesting. It's like, oh, here it is. Hard to see with the water flow, but it's like got a lot of red on it. There's quite a few pieces in here, really, for the number of buckets I ran. I did end up taking the classifier screen off and running a few buckets that way. So right now, there's my tailings pile. It goes from there to out here. But right now, I'm letting her do her job and do some work. Wish I had an underwater camera, but I could throw in the water and show you guys that. But I don't. Just a broke-ass prospector enjoying time out on the river. Alright, well, I'm going to get this cleaned up and I'll throw it in the pan and I'll show it to you guys. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright, we got the box put back together. Mats and some cons are in the bucket right there. Of course, we got the mine boss. And I've got a quick snuffer dump I'm going to do. Get this lid off of here. Let's let's get a little water in this pan. Ooh, that is a lot of water. All right. I'm having problems here. There you go. There's some nice gold right there. Not bad for a couple hours on the creek, huh? I really wish I had a better zoom. Here, let me set you guys. Here. Let's do this. Look, now my gold's going everywhere. I had a few nice pieces in there. I'd get it home. Plus, I've got the cons that are in that bucket that I just snuffer bottled the quick stuff. Oh, hello. Hello. Yeah. Mia wants to pan too. She says, that's where the gold's at, Dad. All right, y'all. I'm going to snuffer bottle this back up, and I'm going to pack up and get out of here and go home. I'll see you there.